Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a super quick video for you where I'm going to cover a couple different key card holders to help protect your key cards for your Teslas. Let's get into it. So if you guys are like me, I've been wanting to do something with my Tesla key card for a while. I've just kind of had it up on a shelf. It's kind of deformed. It's just kind of hanging out there. I never do a lot with it, and I want to kind of keep it more protected and have somewhere to actually where I know it's going to be, maybe hanging on a key ring or something like that. So I have a couple different options here of key card holders. One that I got from Amazon on the cheaper side, and one that I got from EVBase on the more expensive side. So I kind of want to show them off to you guys and talk about their features and what I'm going to use it for. So let's look at the EVBase one first. This is a carbon fiber, a real carbon fiber key card holder. It's very, very nice, high quality, and I love the feel and the design of the material. So this is how it comes out of the package here. There's a little faux key card in there right now, so we'll kind of get that out of the way. And then we have this nice key card holder. You can see the real carbon fiber material there on the inside. Just an absolutely beautiful key card holder. A nice cutout here for when you put your card in, and it'll still show the Tesla word. And on the back side, that's how you kind of get it out through the actual logo here. So let's put the card in, see kind of how it feels. I love that you can still see Tesla on there. It's perfect. I did go ahead and test this on the car and it works just fine. Locks and unlocks the door still. One thing this one doesn't come with is any sort of key ring. You have to kind of supply your own key ring to attach here, but that's a really nice key card holder. It's super sharp, still says Tesla on there, and I love that feel of the genuine carbon fiber. It's super, super sharp and delicate, and you can easily get your key card out too if you want, just by putting your finger on the back side. Let's take a look at the one from TeslaModelY here that I got on Amazon. And this one is a nice key card holder too. Don't mind the packaging. You know, Amazon just kind of sends stuff like this, so just kind of how it goes. This one has a key card holder. You actually get two of them. You get the actual carabiners, protective film for your cards, and also a nice spot for air tags, which is super cool. So if you're finding yourself losing your keys a lot or losing any of your key cards, it's a nice way to avoid that. So here's that protective film I was talking about. The directions say to install that protective film on your card before you actually put it in the holder, just so it doesn't get scratched up, things like that, and the holder itself. Let's see all the goodies that come with it. Like I said, you get two of these for the cost, so it's a really good value on Amazon too. In this package, it looks like you get the screwdriver to put it together, as well as the key ring. There you go. Hopefully you can see those. A nice little key ring with a little leather strap there, a screwdriver to help attach it all together. The actual key card holder itself, more of those little strips. And that's how it kind of fits together. Turn this side over. And there you go. Put your key card in there. Then you have a nice slot too for an air tag if you actually want to keep that kind of nice and secure so you don't lose it. You kind of know where it is each time. So really like this key card holder too. It's a nice high quality plastic. Let's test out the Tesla card with the words facing forward. And it looks like it slides down from the top. There you go. There you go. Now you got your nice Tesla key card nice and secure in there. Still says Tesla. And a super easy way to kind of, you take out this screw with the screwdriver, and then you can attach this leather strap right there. It's a really nice key card holder too. I don't have any air tags to show how it fits in here, but that's right where an air tag would go. In case you ever lose your key card, you know right where it is. Just kind of going over my final thoughts for you guys. I'd love to hear what you guys think. What do you do with your Tesla key cards? Do you keep them on a shelf? Obviously, we use our phones all the time for the Bluetooth phone key, but what do you do when you actually need to hand this to somebody? Do you just give them the card? Do you keep it on any other key ring in your house? Or do you just keep it on a shelf? What do you do with it? I'm super curious what you guys do with your Tesla key cards to see if maybe I can do something different. Regarding the two key card holders, I love this one from EVBase. The genuine carbon fiber is so cool. Such an awesome design. I love the kind of Tesla cutout there. I wish it came with maybe some sort of key ring that you can use to attach to it, but you know, generally if you throw this on your key ring, you already have that together as well. Can't go wrong with genuine carbon fiber. It looks so cool, but it comes at a little bit of a heftier price tag. This one over here on the left side, this one from TeslaModelY products, is really nice. Having the ability to throw in an air tag is super cool. I don't have any, so you know, we use Android products here, but if you're the ones that use air tags all the time and you have it on a separate key ring, go ahead and throw it right in here and you're set. It also comes with a really nice leather little strap here, as well as this kind of nice D-ring where you can kind of push in and add your keys to it or add anything else to it. And you can just attach this right on the top there. So really nice. And the screwdriver to be able to go ahead and do that. So both really nice, both have pros and cons. I'd love to know which ones you guys like more. If you're interested in either one of them, I'll have links to both of them down in the description for you guys to check out. And if you're interested in anything else I've reviewed on the channel, make sure to click on my link tree and check out everything that I've reviewed on the channels down there in my link tree. I'll have some video here on the screen showing it off, but everything I've reviewed is on there, so make sure you check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'd love to know which ones you guys prefer. Let me know down in the comments. We'll catch you later.